Hello everybody, Fred Lam here and welcome to our workshop finale on how to launch a six-figure business in 17 minutes or less with nearly zero investment. Now we have not officially begun yet and we have loads of people piling on right now. So if you have grabbed your seat and you can actually listen to me, see my video, make sure that you do not leave our workshop because you are literally going to watch exactly how I'm going to use my 5-step system to launch a full-blown business, and I'm talking about a potential six-figure business in 17 minutes or less with nearly zero investment. Now with that being said, for those of you who are here right now, write into the comment box or the chat box right below, please tell me where you are calling in from. I just love it that each time I host these amazing workshops is that I have people all around the world joining in with us, and it is just amazing on how we actually can get together, all thanks to the internet, to be here together to learn about one thing, which is how you can actually launch a business by the end of this workshop. So I got Lisa from California, Kevin from Seattle, I got Ron from Australia, Victoria from Vancouver, BC, that's really where I am. We got Cindy from Toronto, we got Tony from New Zealand, we got Don from India, we got Terry straight from Singapore, we got Ranil right from Malaysia, Dave from Scottsdale, we got Jacobs from Austin, Mark from Maryland, Aaron from Washington, Navneet from, where is that? Oh, that is Wisconsin. I got Arlie from Madison. Alright, we got a lot of people piling on and joining us right now. So before we begin, okay, there are 3 requests that I want to make. Request number 1 is please log out of Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, turn off your TV, and turn off your cell phone. And at the same time, please tell your husband, wife, girlfriend, boyfriend, your dog, or whatever that you're going to be missing for 90 minutes. Because today, you are going to learn exactly how you can launch a 6-figure business in 17 minutes or less. Then request number 2. What I want you to do is go grab a piece of paper and pen ready to take notes. I'm going to show you the exact steps that you need, so again, like I said, by the end of this workshop, you can literally have your business up and running. Now, the last request that I simply have is write into the comment box below. The more you engage with me, the more excited I get. And the more excited I get, the more things I would share that may not be inside this presentation. Because as a presenter, I get motivated and I get so excited when I see you guys participating, and I just go on and share more information than what I'm actually going to share, alright? Simple as that. So again, if you guys could actually honor my 3 requests, here's what you need to do. Write into the comment box below, put in the word go, 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 and we will officially kickstart today's presentation and workshop. Alright, I got Michael, Christine, Mark saying like go, 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 Miriam, Pedro, Chandra, Connie, Rodia, sorry, I'm really bad with names, Franklin, Star, Saman, Roger, Sophia. Alright, we got a bunch of people all excited, ready to go, and just putting go, go, go to honor my 3 requests. So let's start right now. In this upcoming workshop, I'm going to share with you a true story of mine, my $25 million journey starting from zero. Now, I'm sharing this story with you not to impress you, but to impress upon you that in life, anything is possible. And through that journey, I have discovered a repeatable, proven 5-step business formula to launch any business online. And today, I'm actually going to hand you my entire online business blueprint so you can actually master it and start creating your very own online business. I will even show you and build right in this workshop a live business right in front of you in 17 minutes or less. You heard that right. In 17 minutes or less. I'm going to challenge myself. I'll even pull up a timer to show you how I can build a business in 17 minutes or less. This is a big challenge, so I'm going to make sure that this can be done. Now, on top of that, I'm going to bring you behind the scenes to my $250,000 technology that will blow you away, that can actually skyrocket your sales in your online store. Now, to kick things off, let me ask you this question. How many of you have bought a physical product online? It can be anything: a necklace, sunglasses, water bottle, maybe kitchen supplies, a belt, a t-shirt, some books, or maybe a watch. Right? Wow, I'm getting a lot of people saying me right now. And Elizabeth Jane said that she just bought 30 minutes ago. Malika, John, Randy said that he just bought like a whole bunch of new watches yesterday. Alright, I'm getting loads of people saying me right now. Well, guess what? Welcome to the massive growing trend of e-commerce. Now, put a yes in the comment box below if you believe that e-commerce is the future right now. Put in a big yes in the comment box below if you believe that e-commerce is the future right now. Alright, wow. Floods of yeses coming in right now. Well, take a look at this screenshot. This proves to you why e-commerce is the future. According to Statista, the statistic portal, and a very well-respected statistic portal, shows that by 2021, in around 3 years from now, it is projected to transact $4.4 trillion, and we're talking about US dollars, in the entire world. That is a lot of money. $4.4 trillion. We're not even talking about a $1 billion market. We're now talking about a $1 trillion market right now, a $4.4 trillion market. And imagine yourself only getting a fraction of this pie, or even 0.00001% of this $4.4 trillion market. You are still able to build a 7-figure business, and the number just keeps multiplying every single year in the next 3 years. However, how many of you believe it is impossible for you to make profits from this $1 trillion industry? Put in a 1 in the question box right now, right below, if you believe that it's impossible for you to make profits. Now, let's be honest, be open, I'm not going to call your name. If you believe this is impossible, that yes, you can see that this is a $1 trillion industry, but I don't know how I can actually make profit from this, right? Alright, I'm getting loads of ones coming in right now. Well, guess what? I know how it feels. And today, I want to give you my help and share with you and give you and hand you my 5-step system that you can start replicating and start creating your very own online store so that you yourself can take a piece of this $1 trillion market right now. Now, this exact 5-step system has allowed me to create a new store of mine and generate over $1 million in the last 90 days. Now, obviously, I wasn't able to actually have this success all of a sudden. I literally started from zero. 13 years ago, I was just washing disgusting, filthy, dirty dishes. That's where I was. And at that time, I thought that I was just going to work up the ranks in a restaurant and hoping that I could become a manager one day and make some decent profit. Now, what led me to washing dishes was really because I almost flunked high school, almost flunked math and English. I still remember I got 51%. So again, I apologize if you guys see some grammar mistake, or if you're hearing me slurring on some words only because my English wasn't that great. Now, at that young age, obviously, I wasn't satisfied on what I was doing. So I turned onto the internet, took my hard-earned money from washing dishes to actually invest into online courses and to see how I could actually build a career in the internet space. And with that, I was in pure luck. Or I was just, all of a sudden, it just came in at the right time. The first business that I created was a 7-figure business in 2018. And I did this all in just 4 short months. Now, to be exact, it was $4.6 million in just 4 short months. However, the business almost went bankrupt with bad decisions, bad spending habit, and most importantly, our bank all of a sudden decides to not process any more credit card online orders for their clients. Boom, overnight, everything gone. And I went through a state of depression, and I was like, all right, you know what? I need to put myself together. All right, I went through a couple of states of depression, and then at the end of it, I was like, all right, I gotta put myself together because I need to actually feed my family. I gotta pay for my rent. I gotta basically live. So with that, I look back at the 4 months that I created this business, and I actually acquired a very specific skill set, which is called media buying, buying traffic online. And I took that skill set and transitioned to creating my own agency. And I was very privileged enough to work with companies like BMW, Mini, and Rolls-Royce. I even helped Rolls-Royce open the first dealership in Western Canada, and at that time I was the youngest marketing manager for BMW Group Canada. I even worked with at least over a dozen auto dealerships, helping them increase their sales with my traffic knowledge. But let's face it, corporate life sucked. You're literally working 9 to 5, overtime, and you are helping your boss and client make all the money. So I decided to restart where I fell. Now, fortunately, through the 3 years of actually working at it as an agency, I worked with some of the top general manager, top sales manager, top marketing managers all around the world. And during that time, I discovered that I was actually missing 2 steps of the puzzles to my 5-step system. And because I now had all these experience working with all these amazing people around the world, and to actually gain my knowledge from them, I completed my 5-step system, and I restarted where I fell, which is going back into creating my very own online business. So with that, in 2011, using the exact 5-step system that you're learning today, I generated $1.8 million in just 3 short months. Yep, in 3 months, I generated $1.8 million. Now, at that point, I was wondering to myself, is this all based on luck? Was I just lucky? Or is this 5-step system repeatable? Can I do this in multiple businesses? Can I do this over and over and over again? So in 2014, I decided to torture test my 5-step system. And I created 2 businesses simultaneously at the same time to see if this actually works. And then, long and behold, the first business in 9 months generated $2.2 million. And I was like, wow, this is amazing. But if you take a look at my other business, it did even better. It generated $3.78 million in the exact same time frame. And I've gone on to scale that business to over $12 million in sales. And now I'm actually a CEO of, and I actually own one of the fastest growing company in America. And this is actually an e-commerce company, an online company, according to Inc. 5000. Now, for those of you who are skeptical and think that I'm making this up, take a look at this. A picture of me at the gala, receiving my awards for my Inc. 5000 honorary fastest growing company in America. And all these successes are all because of my proven 5-step system that you are going to learn today on exactly what they are and how you can actually copy my 5-step system. Now, I also share my 5-step system with a selected group of people, and let's take a look at their results too. Dirk Cheatwood, he said that Fred Lam's 5-step system absolutely works. He's an actor and a father of 3 kids. He had little experience to start, used my entire 5-step system to create his first online store, started from zero, and today, he gone on to generate over $6,000 in a single day. Just one day, over $6,000. Now let's look at Jedi. Jedi said that I can't believe this system works. It put me in shock. He's a regular sales guy from Colorado. He's actually, or originally, making money by knocking on doors and selling roofing. And he never made any money online. And he started from literally zero. And after using my 5-step system, in 13 weeks, he generated over $100,000. Now, regular people have the same results. Let's take a look. Ryan generating $1,000 per day. Neville, $1,400 a day. Ryan Corral, $2,300 a day. Look at this. Miguel Areve, $86,000 in a single month. Now, let me share with you some reality and expectations first. Listen, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. The strategies that you are about to learn are to build a sustainable, long-term business, and every business needs time, dedication, and attention, and results may vary from each person. Now, the number one question that I always get is, Fred, how long will I take to make money? Now, it's a fair question, and I'm pretty sure that that is on your mind right now. And my answer is simple. You need to be serious and commit a minimum of full 60 days. And this is for serious individuals only. So if you're looking for a push a button, get rich quick, or a get rich quick overnight, then you know what? Seriously, all you gotta do is leave this workshop right now, because this is not what it's about. What I wanted to share with you is to show you exactly all the steps that you need, okay, to actually build a sustainable long-term business, all right? Now, let me ask you this question. Are you ready to get into my 5-step system right now? Type in a big yes in the comment box below and show me your excitement, okay? I want loads of yes coming in before I even continue on. Okay, I want to see excitement, because we're literally going to show you the entire 5-step, so by the end of this workshop, again, you can build your very own business and replicate the results that we have been getting. Alright, I'm getting loads of yeses coming in, just pouring in right now. Some of the yeses include Steve, Katrina, Samrinder, Walt, Todd, Barry, John, Jason, Jeremy, both Dan, Michael, Kim, Lorenza, Garland, Brenda, Linda, Kim, Doris. Alrighty. Amazing, amazing, amazing. So, you know what? Let's kickstart and get right in, okay? Step number 1 is to have a present. Now, to be more specific, you need to have a web present. So, you must have a web present, and here's what you need. You need to master graphic designs to design your store. You need to understand the alien programming languages of CSS, HTML, JavaScript, and all those other coding stuff. You also need to deal with hosting servers and maintaining your website. You also need to negotiate with bankers just to actually process Visa card, MasterCard, American Express, or Discover to collect money from your customers. And this is just to get started. And again, this is exactly where most fail. Because that's a lot of steps. That's a lot of things that you gotta figure out. It's gonna take you, what, months or years just to learn all these stuff. I even got Linda saying, what on earth is JavaScript or CSS? I got Doris saying, this is already mind-boggling. Again, that's what it is. That's where most fail, is because you think that you have to master all these stuff. Now, what if I tell you that if you can turn on a computer, log into your email account, and click the link to join this Finality workshop, you're halfway there. And the reason why I'm making such a bold statement is because I want to introduce you to Shopify. Now, Shopify is massive. And why you should use Shopify is that, number 1, they're the industry-leading e-commerce platform right now. They are absolutely dominating, and they now have over 500,000 active store owners. And majority of these people were regular people just like you. But thanks to Shopify, they now actually own an online business and can actually create the financial dreams that they want. And they're also evaluated at $10 billion. So obviously, for a public trading company, they need to make sure that every T's are crossed, every I's are dots. And that gives me a full comfort and security to put my multi-million-dollar businesses right inside Shopify, because I know that everything will be taken care of. And they also have a 24/7 customer support, so that at the end of the day, if you run into any problem, just jump onto the live chat or jump onto the phone call, and you will have a real person actually answering all your questions. And I actually flew down to Shopify's headquarters to meet all their higher ups, to actually check out their operation, and I do have to tell you, it is gigantic, and the people there are amazing. They're there to actually help you. Now, the best part about Shopify is that everything is click, click, click. So if you can actually turn on Microsoft Word document, copy and paste some text in there, upload an image, you're literally well on track to actually create your e-commerce business. But let's face the reality. When you first log into Shopify, or when you start using any new platform and you first log in, it looks confusing. You're like, okay, what should I do? What is my next step? You're gonna go and look for video tutorials to actually spend several hours or even a couple days just to figure things out, and then you gotta basically click on different buttons to set up your store, add in your image, add in your products, and you may have to go into forums just to actually check out what needs to be done. Now, it's gonna take you what? Days, weeks, or months before you can actually have your first store up and running. Now, what if I show you a way that used to take weeks to have your store up, now takes 17 minutes. And I'm talking about 17-minute stores like this, and like this right now. And I'm going to build a store live right in front of you in just 17 minutes or less. I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it. I'm going to pull up a timer and challenge myself to do it in 17 minutes or less. Put a big yes in the comment box below if you are excited to see that right now. Alright, put a big yes, and I want to see a lot of excitement because I don't think anyone dares to build an entire business from scratch, and I'm talking about from zero, in a live workshop, and I'm going to actually show you exactly how that all can be done. Wow, I'm getting loads of yeses. John, Jason, Jeremy, Michael, Kim, Lorenza, Joseph, Scott, Ka, Jeffrey, Badar, Susan. Brian said that I can't believe you're going to do it in 17 minutes. He's actually said right that. Jesse, Danish, Finance, Paul, Stuart. All right, I got a lot of excitement coming in right now, so we're not going to wait any longer, and we're going to dive right in right now. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to actually head over to the browser, okay? And I'm going to share this website with you. It's called fishingyard.com. I'm going to show you. I'm going to refresh this, and this is how a default Shopify store actually looks like once you got an account. There's nothing in here. And to prove to you, I'm going to go under the admin and to show you that A, there are no products, okay? There are nothing in here. There are no pages. There's nothing in here. So now the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up a timer to show you if we can actually get this done in 17 minutes or less. So together, let's count down in 3, 2, 1. Alright, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to log on into our technology called Zero Up Lab. I'm going to actually log in into my account, and then what I'm going to do next is to simply synchronize, alright, our account with our technology first. So we're going to copy the URL, paste it right in here, we're going to install it, and making sure that our technology can have access into your account right now. So once that is done, all you got to do is at the top right, go over to settings, and then right here, you'll see a link that says build your store with Site Wizard. Click here. So all we're going to do is simply click here, and you'll be brought into a 3-step process. Step number 1 is to select your theme. So we have over 13 themes for you to choose from. You can preview it, see how it all looks like, yada, yada, yada. And then you select whichever one you want. So in this case, we're going to select the Poppy theme. Once you have selected Poppy theme, click on Continue. Now, when you click on Continue, step number 2 is to choose your store's niche. So there's over 20 niches for you to choose from. Pet supply, event and decor, arts and craft, women's apparel, household and kitchen supplies, photography, men's jewelry, women's jewelry, beauty, healthcare, home decor, gardening, sports and outdoor. Well, guess what? We're building fishingyard.com, so we want to actually select sports and outdoor. Now, when you select your niche over here, what's going to happen is that our technology will automatically take your theme, and we're going to combine it with the niche that you have chosen. So we're going to color code it, add in images, add in pages, and most importantly, we are going to also add in 25 products right into your store that you can sell right away. Then simply click on Continue, and you'll be brought into this last step, which is filling out your store's detail. So we're going to put Fishing Yard, and then business email address. So we're going to support at fishingyard.com, and then we're going to put in the phone number, and country, I'm from Canada, and 30 days. Now, with all your store's information, our technology will also automatically create your privacy policy page, your FAQ, terms of service, about us, refund policy, and contact page. So now all you got to do is click on this green button over here that says Publish Your Store, and now our technology is going to go ahead and build the entire store for you without you lifting your fingers. So that by the time that the next time you go back to your site, which is right here, fishingyard.com, you will see right here that our entire store is being built as we speak right now. Now, obviously, there are some missing spots in here that you gotta finish up with the final touches, like the navigation bar, the collection, and the products. So we're gonna simply head over into Shopify, and we're gonna create the collection first. We're gonna go to products, go to collection, and then we're gonna create collection. So the first collection that we're gonna create, what do we have? Let's see. This is biking, fishing, camping. Okay, so we're gonna go biking. Manually select products, press save, then head over back to the collection, create the second one, and then we're gonna create fishing, and then we're gonna create the last one that's going to be called camping. All right, camping, camping, manually select product, press save. Now once that is done, then next thing is go to the online store and simply click on the word customize. Alright, now once you actually have that, all we gotta do is head over to the homepage feature collections and assign the collection to these images. So we're gonna click on biking, we're gonna click on fishing, and then the last one is going to be camping. Now obviously, as you see that this is all in black font, very hard to see, so all we have to do is click on the back button, go to colors, go look for the homepage feature collection, change the text color to whatever you want, but in this case, we're going to go after white. Go back. Now, the missing part is best-selling products, so we're going to go to homepage, best-selling products, and select all these products that we have added into your store automatically. Now, once you actually press save, you'll now be going to the last step, which is having the navigation bar. So when we go back to our store, going back to the pages, you see that all these pages have been created for you. All you gotta do is head over to the navigation bar, go to main menu, and add in these pages. So I'm gonna add in the about page, and then I'm going to actually add the FAQ page, and then FAQ, and then I'm gonna add in the contact page. Alright, and then press save, and now when we go back to the site and we refresh this, you can see that your entire site has been built. All these pages are built for you. Look at the catalogs. There are products right in here that you can start selling right away. And we took 5 minutes and 31 seconds. 5 minutes and 31 seconds. Alright? I bet you guys are blown away right now, right? How many of you guys are blown away on what you saw? Put in a wow right into the comment box right below if you are blown away. I told you that I'm gonna challenge myself and do it in 17 minutes or less, but we actually did it in 5 minutes and 31 seconds. 5 minutes and 31 seconds, and we have an entire store ready that we can actually start selling products right away and start potentially making you profits right away. Alright, I'm getting a lot of people saying, wow, Michael, Marco, Wayne, Sandy, Steven, Erlinda actually said that I can't believe what I just saw. Peter, Michael, Steven, Lori, Catherine said that I cannot unseen the scene. That's actually interesting. Alright, I got so many people that says wow right now. But we're not done yet. We're going to move into step number 2. Now, in step number 2, you obviously need products to sell. And here's what you need. To get started, you need to actually find a manufacturer to give you products to sell. Now, once you actually find the manufacturer, you gotta get the pricing of the product and also some samples to do your own due diligence and research to see if that product should be something that you should be selling. Now, once you got the sample, once you got the pricing, and you want to sell that product, guess what? You gotta negotiate your buy-in, which is gonna take you weeks. Now, what I mean by negotiating your buy-in is that you gotta negotiate back and forth with the manufacturer so that you can actually get the lowest cost possible for you to make the highest profit, right? You wanna maximize that. And then step number 4, once you negotiate the buy-in, then you gotta schedule a boat or a shipment by boat to actually get those products to your port. While that all is happening, you got to deal with a custom broker to pay your import duties, to pay all your taxes. Now, once your product is actually at the port, you got to get a truck to pick up those products and have them shipped right to your warehouse. Once it is inside your warehouse, you got to take pictures of your products to upload to your store. And you got to create your online store next, which is going to, take you weeks or months, but we did it in like less than 6 minutes. But again, you still need to create your online store. Then you need to get a bank to approve you to accept credit cards online so you can actually collect money from your customers. Then you open up your store, hoping that customers are going to buy what you have, because you don't even know if the customers are going to buy or not. That's a very high risk. Now, plus, you also need a minimum of 1,000 square foot warehouse. You need to have thousands of inventory and SKUs. You need an army of employees just to actually receive, pack, and ship the products out. And not to mention, you need a lot of money and investment up front. Now, I'm pretty sure your facial expression looks like this right now. Fred, I did not sign up for this. I am totally lost and confused on what is going on. I even got Robert saying, I'm lost. I don't even know what's going on. Aaron, David, Ronald, Ivan, they all even said, holy macaroni, right? That is a lot of steps. Well, also, I haven't mentioned, think of this for a minute too. If you want 20 different products to actually sell, you should have around 100 units each. That means that you need 2,000 units in your warehouse. And if each unit costs you $10, you need to actually invest $20,000 up front with a very high risk, because you don't even know if the customers are going to buy your products or not. Now, let me ask you, who's willing to risk $20,000 right now? Put in the word no way in the comment box below if you are not even willing to risk $20,000 right now. Alright, I'm getting floods of people. Justin, John, Diane, Allison said no way in hell that I'm going to invest $20,000. And I'll flat out tell you, even myself, I won't be willing to risk $20,000 myself, because that is a lot of money and that is a lot of risk. But take a look at this. This is just one of my store. If you look deeper, and I bolded for you guys, there are 33 pages of products. Each page have 12 products. That means that I have 396 products in my store. And guess what? I put down zero money. Not a single penny up front, and I have nearly 400 products in my store that I'm selling. And this exact same store has gone on from zero to generating $46,000 in just a few short months with nearly zero risk, because I did not need to invest a single penny into inventory. Now put a yes in the comment box below if you want to know what my secret formula is. How on earth did Fred have nearly 400 products in his store that he's selling and he doesn't even need a single penny into inventory? Wow, I'm getting floods of people saying yes right now. Well, let me introduce you to step number 2, which is inventory arbitrage. And let me actually jump onto my whiteboard to show you quickly what this means and how it all works, so you guys all know exactly what is happening. So by now, put a 1 in the comment box below if you guys can actually see my blank screen with a black pen. Alright, getting loads of 1s coming in. So I'm going to show you exactly how it all works. It's actually very simple. So first, you want to actually have your online store. Now, again, we did this. Oops. Going back into here. All right. Oh, that's what happened. All right. So we actually have your online store, and again, we did this in less than simply 6 minutes. Okay. So once you have your online store, what you got to do? Simply go out and find a manufacturer that actually have products that you want to sell. Now, when you find these manufacturers or vendors, you want to look for 3 pieces of critical information. Number 1, you want to get the photo of the product. You want to get the description of the product. So you need to know what is it made out of, what are the benefits, what are the features, etc. Last but not least, you also need to know the costs of your product. Now in this case, let's say that your cost is going to be $5. Now once you have these three information, all you got to do is simply upload it right into your store. Now you don't just upload it, you want to mark it up and sell it at a higher price. In this case, let's say that we're going to sell it for $15. Now, if Mr. Joe Brown or Mr. Stickman goes to your site to check out your product and he likes your product, love it, wants to buy it, guess what? He has to give you $15 up front. So once you collected the $15, all you do is simply pay the $5 to your vendor and manufacturer and have them ship the product directly to your customer. So what you're essentially doing is that you are arbitraging the inventory that is already sitting in your manufacturer's and vendor's warehouse. Now you might be wondering, well, Fred, will customers find out about this and know exactly what happened at the back? Well, the truth is, for those of you, especially for those of you that said to me earlier that you have bought a physical product online, guess what happened? You simply looked at the image, looked at the description, and then paid a price. You never see, felt, touch, or smell the product. You simply just are trained. We're all trained now to simply look at the image, look at the description, and pay for it. And as long as you receive that product to your doorsteps, that's all it matters. And that's all it matters, right? And at the end of the day, guess what? You made $10 profit right in between with zero investment up front. And all you're doing is you're arbitraging inventory. And this exact model has been widely used by Amazon, Walmart, and even Apple in their e-commerce platform. All in their e-commerce platform, it has been widely used. Let's take a look at Apple for an example, okay? Last year when I bought the Apple 7, which I was so excited to get, I was so eager, I did not feel, smell, touch the product, went online, saw the photo, saw the description, paid a price. Got the tracking number, went to UPS website, put it in, and I realized that the product is going to take 4 weeks for me to actually receive it. And I scrolled down even deeper, and I realized that Apple is actually shipping me the product directly from their China manufacturing plant. So even Apple is using this exact method so that they can cut off all the unnecessary costs right in between and eliminating all those unnecessary processes right in between. And Apple can actually make more profit by doing so. So you yourself can actually use that exact model in your own business. Now, I got a lot of people asking, well, Fred, where can I get started to actually arbitrage inventory? Well, the number one marketplace that I suggest you guys to use is AliExpress. And the reason why is that AliExpress is actually owned by Alibaba. And Alibaba is well known to be the leading platform to actually have manufacturers do B2B business to retailers. So they actually create the product, wholesale the product to the retailer, and the retailer sell it out to their customer and make the profit. Now, when AliExpress actually was created, all the manufacturer from Alibaba went ahead and created an account in AliExpress and start selling their products at the same time. So what essentially is happening is that you now have direct access to these manufacturers without you buying products in bulk. You're simply just buying by single pieces, and all you're doing is simply taking advantage of it, eliminating the middleman, and have you actually sell these products right in your store. And AliExpress is very easy to work with, and it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Step number 1, you find a vendor with products you want to sell. And most importantly, you want to actually find the cheapest cost and the highest quality. Now, inside AliExpress, you actually have ability to do all these. And as a matter of fact, putting the word demo in the comment box below. If you want me to run you a quick demo on the 3 critical pieces of information that I look at when I am searching for products to sell on my store through AliExpress. Alright, I'm getting loads of people saying demo right now. Franklin, Leslie, Michael, Rondia, Connie, Sandra, Pedro, Mariam, Mark, Christine, Michael. Alright, I got loads of people saying demo right now. Alright, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go back to my browser and actually open up AliExpress, okay? Now again, inside AliExpress, you have millions of products that you can actually sell. Now in this case, we're working on fishingyard.com. Let's say that we want to sell a hammock, okay? Simply put in the keyword, and what I do is I sort it by orders first. I want to look at what is the best selling product under hammock right now. And long and behold, this one actually have done over 3,000 orders, okay? So I can see that the price is $7.99 to $13.50. Now the first piece of critical information that I look at is the vendor's feedback, okay? So here you have 4 diamonds. Now, AliExpress actually rates all their vendors and sellers, and they rate them by medallion, diamond, blue crown, pink crown. And you want to make sure that your vendor and seller has at least 2 diamonds, so that you know for a fact that they are going to ship out your product. So let's say that we're going to click on here. This is what we wanted to sell. Now, the next piece of information that I look at is the rating of the product. Right now, it's at a 4.8 out of 5 stars. It tells me flat out that this product is at its high quality. People are very satisfied because basically everyone is commenting and voting, and you don't need to even actually see or touch the product and check out the quality because all that has been done for you by other people. So your job is to find products that has a 4.5 out of 5 star or above, okay? 4.5 star and above. So this one has 4.8. Excellent. Next thing, you want to make sure that there is a shipping method called ePacket, okay? What ePacket stands for, it is called e-commerce package. It is a shipping agreement that China Post have created with over a dozen countries, including United States, Canada, New Zealand, Australia, and United Kingdom, and a lot of other countries. And what you're essentially getting is that A, you're gonna get a tracking number. Number 2, all the products are shipped by air, so that means that your customers are going to receive the product a lot faster. And it's important for you to actually have customers receiving the product quickly. So with these 3 critical information, once we got it, guess what? Simply upload all these information right into your store and actually sell it, right? Which is step number 2. Upload the product to your store. Just copy and paste their images and information and have it available in your store to sell. Then when a customer actually goes to your store, buys the product, guess what? Once you got their shipping information, go into your AliExpress account, place the order, and make sure you tell your vendor to ship it to your customer and update their shipping address. And also, you need to tell them to not include any invoice in there and ship with your store's name. Now, most important, you got to make sure that you always mark up the price because that's where your profit actually come in play. Now, let me ask you, what if all this can be done with just one click of a button? I'm talking about you not needing to copy and paste any more images, not needing to set up the variants. All you do is click one button, you have that product right into your store. And most importantly, finishing that one button, you don't even need to lift your fingers again and have that product automated for you so that when a customer orders, what happens is that you will have an order sent to your vendor and automatically fulfill the product. Put in a yes if you want to actually have this one click of a button and see how it all works. Put in a yes in the comment box right below. Lucas said, let's do this. Mark said, I can't wait to actually see this. Let's see. We have a lot of yeses coming in. Han, Elizabeth, Jane, Nancy, John, Randy. All right, Kevin. All right, a lot of yeses pouring in right now. So we're going to head back into our browser and go into our technology. So we have something called the product engine. The product engine is actually synchronized with AliExpress. So let's say that we want to actually sell the hammock. Simply do a search, and long and behold, you will actually find these products right in here. So in a bird's eye view, without you even going to AliExpress to actually click on the products, to actually look for information, you would immediately know if there's e-packet available, what is the price, how many orders have they done in the last 30 days, what is their rating for the product, and how many feedback. So from there, you can actually click on the eye icon and actually see this product right now. And then your job is obviously, previously, the old-fashioned way is you gotta grab all these images and have it in your store, right? So here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna go back to my timer, I'm gonna reset this, okay? And I'll show you how quickly this can be done. We're gonna start right now. So once you're in the product engine, all you gotta do is click on this little button over here that says upload product to your Shopify store. And now what's gonna happen is that our technology will automatically add in the product right into your store. And we're not just regularly adding the product. All these variants, okay, all these pictures will be added right inside. So right now there's over 24 different colors for your customers to choose from. So it's gonna take you 30 minutes to actually have one product up, or maybe 45 minutes. And if you want 10 products up, that's gonna literally take you an entire day wasted by simply having that product up. But take a look, now we have this product in our store. Take a look, all these are done. And it took us less than a minute, 52 seconds, and we have this product right into our store. So for you, you can literally have hundreds of products in your store by simply using our technology, and without you wasting all your time. And all you gotta do is just mark up the price, and let's say that we're decided for $24.95. Save. And now, when we go back up and click on Manage, click on the online store, and now you have this product for you to actually sell in your store. So now when a customer actually goes to this site and wants to buy this product, let's see what happens, okay? We're gonna add to cart, and we're gonna check out like a regular customer. So I'm gonna check out right now. I'm just waiting for the site to load, and oh, it says it is sold out. Let's see, is it sold out? Seems like it for some reason. All right, so let me actually go back here and let me choose another color. I'll choose the orange. Add to cart. Checkout. For some reason, it says it is out of stock, and we have the inventory. That is very weird. Update the inventory again. And now I'm just gonna wait for Shopify. All right, let's do this again. So now let's say that we are going to actually check out this product. Check out. All right, now we actually put in the information. So I'm gonna say Fred Lam at iProductGroup.ca. I'm gonna ship it to Fred Lam, my address, okay, and then continue shipping method. Now, obviously, there's one thing that I did in advance, which is putting in my a discount code so I don't have to share my credit card information to the public. So, oops, what is it? Yes, it is this one. Apply. All right, then continue payment method. And now, when I complete the order, guess what? Originally, once you actually have the order completed, customer paid you the money, then you simply go to AliExpress and simply copy these information and go into your account and do this manually. But in our technology, we have something called the order status. You'll see that the order is saying pending right now, and it's actually being ordered as we speak right now. So you do not need to lift up your fingers, and your entire store is automated for you. All right, put in a wow in the comment box below if that blew your mind. We're talking about automating your entire store so that you do not have to waste time on adding products and to waste time on ordering single product for each of your customer. Wow, I'm getting a ton of wow coming in right now. Holy macaroni, we got Victor, Neon, Angel, Mergine, Kelly, Sarichi, Serlene, George, Billy, Ivan, Mattis at that. Holy cow, that's crazy, right? Well, take a look at this, okay? Ken, who decided not to actually show his face to the public. He wants to actually have his privacy, but here's what he said. I never thought I can do it until I started to follow Fred. He's a stay-at-home father with 2 kids. had little money to start, can't even speak proper English, and he used my entire 5-step system to create his first store online. And he started from literally zero. And today, he's generating over $4,300 per day. Talk about over $4,000 per day using the exact system that I'm sharing with you guys. So now let's move on to step number 3. Well, here's what you have now. You have your store, you have your products, but honestly, you don't even have a business if you don't have traffic. The mentality of build it and they will come is no longer available. It is absolutely false. When you actually built your store up, guess what? Congratulations, but your store is only a tiny little pixel buried by the billions of websites out there in the World Wide Web right now. So for you, that you think that when you have a store up, you will think that there are going to be customers going to your store rushing to buy your products. That's not right. That is false, and a false mentality you have. What you got to do right now is to stand out the crowd, and how you stand out is to simply go get the traffic yourself. And on the internet, when you want to buy something, what do? Okay, on the internet, when you wanted to buy something, what do? Take a guess right into the comment box below, and while those guesses are coming in, I'm just gonna take a sip of water right now. Again, there's no right or wrong answer, okay? Alright, I'm getting a bunch of you guessing it right. You do a Google search, right? Reflect back the last time you wanted to buy something, right? What do? Well, you go to Google to check out the product yourself. That's what you do. You go and perform a Google search. And right now, there are over 9.7 billion searches in a single month in just the United States alone. So we talk about the entire world, that is going to be a lot of people searching for things online through Google. And listen, anyone performing a Google search is considered an hyperactive buyer. So let me repeat that. Anyone performing a Google search is considered a hyperactive buyer. Why? Well, reflect back the last time you have performed a Google search. There are 2 reasons why. Number 1, you have a problem and you want to find a solution. Number 2, you are in market to actually buy something and you just want to do your due diligence and do a search, look at the reviews, or see if there's a better deal, right? I got Ian saying, yeah, I actually just did a Google search when I was going to order a phone case. Exactly. That's what people do. And why are you considered a hyperactive buyer? Well, here's a simple example. If you want to buy a pizza and order a pizza online, what do? You search for the pizza phone number, or you search for a pizza place on Google. Once you found it, you place the order right away. The time frame for that person when they search for something and they have a solution, or they actually find what they want, they are ready to bring up their credit cards to buy right away. So that's why anytime a person actually perform a Google search, they are considered a hyperactive buyer. They will buy right away. And you know what? Selling on Google is easy. A lot of you guys think that, holy crap, selling on Google is hard. I heard a lot of horror stories about Google. Well, you know what? Eliminate all that, because selling on Google is easy. Step number 1, simple. Find the products you want to sell. Simply use a product engine if you want, or go into AliExpress and look for products that you want to sell. Then simply have all those products right into your store and mark it up so you make a profit right in there. Then step number 2, you simply use the keyword research tool called the Google Keyword Planner. It is actually a free tool that Google has created for everyone to have access to. And you simply can look how many search queries there are in a single month, what people are searching for, and you simply tap into the market by creating an ad. And you can copy and paste my ad below for your product. No copywriting needed. I was selling a Happy Man wine opener, and it all says, Amazing Happy Man wine opener. Grab your free Happy Man wine opener. Just pay shipping and handling. Get yours free. And your job is to repeat the process. The more products you found, the more keywords you go after, the more ads you have, the more chances you're going to make more profit. Because in reality, if you have 100 products and you go to the search query, find 100 keywords that matches your product, have an ad up, and you just monitor it from there. You're getting hyperactive people that are going to search for your products, and when they found your ad, they're going to click on it, and they're ready to actually buy. And all you're doing is you're just repeating the process over and over and over again. And take a look at this. Just one of my ad account. Over $2.1 million spent. And what I share with you, and I wasn't profitable, I wouldn't be here. That is a lot of money that I would owe to Google or owe to a credit card company or an investor if I spent $2.1 million and I wasn't profitable at that time. I'm gonna be hiding in Cuba or like in Mexico or somewhere, right? Now, if I ask you this question, you'll be blown away. Guess how much I started with. Take a wild guess right now how much I started with to spend upwards of over $3 million on Google. Take a wild guess. There's no right or wrong answer. I'm going to take a sip of water right now. Billy said 10,000. George said 100,000. Charlene said $100. Sharichi saying $50. Kelly saying $1,000. Guess what? I started with $5. Now let me ask you. Put in a me in the question box below. If you have $5 right now, maybe in your pocket, in your purse, in your wallet, or you may potentially even have just $5 sitting right in front of you right now. Alright, I'm getting a lot of people saying me right now. Steve even said I have $500 right now. Walt said I have $1,000 like right now. Well, you're wealthy. $1,000 in your wallet right away. Alright, there's Todd, Barry, John, Jason, Jeremy, Michael, Kim, Lorenza, Garland, Brenda, Linda, Kim. Wow, loads of people saying $5 right now. I even got Susan saying I got $5 euro. Well, $5 euro is actually more than $5 US. Alright, I got loads of people saying me right now. Well, guess what? Take a look at this. From $5 to selling this. If you take a look closely, I did not even need to actually spend $5. Just $2.25, I already have a sale. $1.79, I already have a sale. And take a look, I spent $164 and made $3,000 back. I spent $61 and made nearly $2,000 back. That's a crazy 3,100% ROI. Talking about the ROI from cryptocurrencies, take a look. Almost over 3,000% ROI. And I don't even need to spend an entire $5, and I've been getting sales right now. And the secret formula to Google is right on the screen right now. This is top secret, okay? This formula is the secret formula to Google. Alright, I lied. I was just joking. Alright, this is not the secret formula. The secret formula to Google is to start with $5 and sell what your customers search for. So let me repeat that. The secret formula to Google is to start with $5 and sell what your customers search for. Now, put in a me in the comment box below if you want to see me build a live Google ad right in front of you right now. If you want to see a demo, put in the word me. If you want to see a full demo on how to create an ad on Google right now, and I'm going to walk you through step by step on exactly how that is done. Wow, Jonathan said that no way you're going to be doing this. Dave said that this is the best training that I'm having so far right now. Aaron said that, wow, show me. Alright, I got Skylar, Alina, Joe, Sabrina, Michael, Christine, Mark. Put it in me right now because I don't think you'll actually learn Google from a lot of places. I'm literally going to show you live exactly how this all can be done. I got Roger, Simon, Star, Franklin, and Leslie, Michael. Alright, just going to jump back in right into our browser and take a look. This product, as I was speaking and sharing with you guys and training you guys, this order has been placed. Now, if you don't believe me, well, simply let's head over into our AliExpress account. we're just going to log right in. And now, when we go under my orders, take a look. This product, this green one over here, has been placed. And we tell them specifically to use the sender name's fishing yard, no invoice. And it's actually shipping directly to me, to my office right now. So, wow, I got a lot of people saying, wow, right now in the question box. Okay, so like I said earlier, we're going to go into Google right now and show you how to set up an ad for this product right now, okay? So all we got to do is head over to Google, and at the top it says Tools. There's going to be a keyword planner. So let's say that we're going to be selling this hammock over here right now. So we're going to start over, and we're going to click on Search for New Keywords using phrase, website, or category. Now I'm going to put in the word hammock, or you can put in the URL of your landing page, whatever you want. In this case, we're just going to go after hammock in the entire United States. Then we're going to click on Get Ideas. Now, there's a problem. Come on. Alright. Okay. So, right now, there are a little bit of problem, not a lot of problem. Let's see if the ad group works. Nope. Alright, there you go. Okay, so we're going to do this again. Not sure what's going on with Google. Okay, so now when you can see that people, hammock for sale, over 8,000 searches in a single month. Obviously, when someone actually searched for hammocks for sale, you know for a fact that they are absolutely ready to actually buy a product. Camping hammock. Obviously, when someone actually searched for a camping hammock, they are ready to actually buy a camping hammock. There's also a portable hammock. Take a look. It only costs you 70 cents. Here's only 62 cents to actually get a click from these hyperactive buyers to actually buy your products. Now, what you want to look at is you want to look for monthly searches for around 2,000, so that you know that there are 2,000 searches in a single month for your specific product. Now, here's what you do next. You can actually go to the ad group ideas to actually look at how Google would recommend you put all the ad groups together. Now, there's portable hammock, sale hammock, so you can see all that. There's 11,000 monthly searches in these ad group. Portable hammock, 20,000. Now, obviously, I got a lot of people excited about right now our section, and especially about our Google presentation. So here's what I'm going to do, okay? I'm going to show you even more details. Like I said earlier, the more you engage with me, the more secrets that I'm going to share. That's not going to be revealing inside our presentation. So now it says that, well, this portable hammock right now is 64 cents, right? There's a way to get this cost even down further. How? Very simple. Let me actually jump to the whiteboard and show you how you can actually make sure you set up Google the right way and get the lowest cost possible and the highest quality possible. So we're back into our whiteboard, and I'm going to clear this out. So here's how you want to actually structure your Google campaign. Number one, there's what we call the campaign level. Now, under the campaign level, in this case, we are going to actually sell the hammock. Alright, the hammock, and that's what it is. Now, under the campaign, there's going to be what we call ad groups. Now, under the ad groups, what we wanted to do is to group up the keywords that we want to actually have showing our ad. So in this case, what we wanted to do is we want to put all keywords that are related to portable hammock into this group. Then we want to put all camping hammock into this group. So now what you're going to do, I'm going to change color, is that you want to actually, under every single keyword that is related to portable hammock, is to set up an ad all about portable hammock. Okay? And under here, you want to set up an ad under this ad group all about camping hammock. So what you're essentially doing is that you are creating a complete relevancy. So if anyone searches for a portable hammock, your ad that talks about the portable hammock actually shows right in here. This will give you the ability to actually increase your quality score, which Google really cares about, and decrease your cost of your ads. Now, if you do not set this up correctly, what's going to happen is that when you actually bump all the keywords in here, and let's say that under the portable hammock, you got camping in here, and or your ad about camping hammock is actually showing to all the keywords related to portable. What's going to happen is that you are now going to get penalized because you did not create the relevancy. Because chances are, if the user that look for a camping hammock, they may not care about a portable hammock. You want to be left, right, and center, and right in front of them saying, I'm searching for a camping hammock, here's a camping hammock. And if you don't do that and actually have the camping ad under the portable, it's going to affect your quality score and skyrocket your cost of ads. And that's what you do not want. Now, obviously, I am missing some of you guys. Don't worry. We're going to do a complete demo on showing you exactly what this all means. So let's say that we want to actually sell this portable hammock, okay? Now we can actually click in here and see all the keywords related to portable hammock. We're going to add it all. And then we're just going to download this right now. So we're going to actually download the plan. And I'm just going to use an Excel. I'm going to download it. And alright, so there you go. So now, once we've downloaded, you can actually open it right now. So we'll just leave this open right now. Then what you want to do, once you got your keywords, head over back to the campaigns. And then you want to actually set up an ad. So what you do, click on this blue button over, a red button over here, and go after search network only, okay? So Microsoft is trying to open. So you want to go after search network only. Do not go by default on what the quote-unquote best opportunity is. That is a pitfall. You want to specifically go after search network only. In this case, we're going to go after a hammock, okay? That's what we're selling. We're selling a hammock. Then the type is that you want to go all features. Again, pitfall number 2. You want to go after all features. Then scroll down. Leave everything by default. And the location, go after one country at a time. So we're only going after anyone in the United States. Scroll down. Pitfall number 3. You want to remove automated maximize conversion. You want to click on manual cost per click, remove enable enhanced cost per click, and just go after manual CPC, because you do not want Google to automatically adjust your bids to quote unquote maximize your conversion. You want to control specifically your bid, and that's what you want to do. In this case, $1, we're going to spend $5 a day. You can ignore all these stuff, scroll down to the very bottom, and save and continue. So now you'll be brought into this screen over here, okay? So since that we're going after portable hammock, you want to click on, we want to name the ad group portable hammock. Now, the rule of thumb is very important, okay? I'm going to paste the URL. Oh, I'm going to paste the URL. Where is it? Here. Copy this URL, and then going back here, I'm going to paste the final URL. This is where you want people to go when they click on your ad. Now, under the headline, I'm going to actually make sure that I have the main keyword portable hammock in here, either in headline 1 or headline number 2. In this case, I'm going to say 50% off all portable hammock, and I'm going to say high quality and durable. Okay, highest quality, and let's say I'm gonna say super durable. Okay, so I can't do that, so I'm gonna go high quality and super durable. So now in the description, I would again want to make sure that I put the word portable hammock. So in this case, I'm gonna say choose say 50% off on all on all portable hammocks in our store, and then I'm also gonna say all in say 50% off our all say 50% off on all portable hammock. And I'm going to basically do something that builds rapport. super durable and highest quality, shop now. Okay. And high quality, shop now. That's all we do. And then at the bottom, here's where you want to enter your keyword in. Now, this is a pitfall, number 4 or 5. I forgot what it is. And now we actually have this doc opened, and you want to copy all these keywords. Now, what a lot of people do is that they just simply put in the keyword over here. That is a big no-no. You do not want to go after broad match because it's going to actually affect your campaign, your performance, and quality score. What you want to do is actually go to www.mergewords.com. Put in the keywords in here, click on extra option, and go after these quotes. So what this is that you are now going just after the phrase match. So Google cannot add in any keyword right in between. All they can do is add in keyword at the front or at the back. So maybe buy hammock, portable hammock, then your ad will actually show. Then you also want to go after exact. Copy all these. Go into right here. And that's what it is. So what exact really is that your ad will show specifically when someone searches for portable hammock stand. And that's what it is, okay? Then scroll down. All you gotta do is click on save ad group and you are done. And that's it. It is that simple. Nothing fancy, nothing crazy. Alright? So now let's say that your portable hammock is selling well. Then it's time to move into step number 4, which is using a profit multiplier. It's the easiest way to make 200% to 300% more money without doing a single thing. And it's actually an ancient sales technique invented by McDonald's back in 1970s. So back in 1970s, McDonald's conducted a survey and they discovered that 200 customers per day were not ordering French fries. So what did he do? They went ahead and trained their staff to ask, do you want fries with that? Now, put in a 3 in the question box right below if you've been asked, do you want fries with that? Right. Connie said that I've been just asked about it a couple hours ago when I was grabbing some food. Right. Jerry, Yolanda, Jenny, Ida, Rob. Wow, floods of you saying 3 right now. Well, guess what? By asking about the fries, for every 200 customers, 100 of them bought the French fries. So if we look at this from a mathematical standpoint, if a burger today costs $3 and you say yes to the fries, that's going to cost you $2.50. Now your total order comes out to be $5.50. That's an 83.33% increase in sales by simply asking small questions. And this is a sales technique that is widely used by all retailers right now, even selling a pair of shoes. So this is how easy to increase your profit. Reflect the last time that you actually went to buy a pair of shoes. You went to a shoe shop or sneaker shop to actually check it out. And your order and you are trying a bunch of them, seeing which one you like. You may have tried like 3 different pairs. Then you got one that you absolutely love and it has your size. Then that person that's helping you said to you, well, this is going to cost $100. But if you buy a second pair, I'm going to give you 50% off. We're having a buy one, get one 50% off deal right now. And you're like, all right. I love that other pair of shoe over there that I absolutely love, and I'm getting it for 50% off. You know what? Add it to my order. So he picks it up for you, got the right size, and then while you guys are walking up to the cashier, he asks, hey, so this shoe is only the last pair right now. Do you want to actually get our special lotion and protection for your shoe so that it is waterproof and stain-proof? And it costs you $30 today. Originally, it's $60. And you're like, all right, I love my pair of shoes, and now that I can't get it anywhere else, all right, I'm going to add that to my order. Then now, when you go to the cashier and you're about to pay, simply the cashier say, hey, we have 6 pairs of socks on deal for just $15. And you're wondering to yourself, all right, well, when I was actually trying on my new pair of shoes, I found that one of my socks actually has a hole. I thought my toe was actually sticking out of it. you're like, all right, I'm going to add it to my order. So now what happens is that your order went from $100 to now $195 right now. That's a 95% increase by simply asking you small questions. I got Elton saying that I totally fell for all these. I actually just went to a shoe shop, bought everything that they told me to actually buy. Exactly, that's what it is. And this technique is called upselling. The burger and the shoe are just a front-end product. They are products to actually attract customers like you to go into their store. Then what you gotta do is to build around the hub. For a burger, you want to sell the fries, the ice cream, the soft drink. For shoes, you want to sell another pair of shoes, you want to sell socks, you want to sell the lotion. So your goal is to actually find products to supplement the hub. And this same technique actually applies to e-commerce. Take a look. That very same hammock, you can now create a beautiful landing page that says, get a premium hammock to have the perfect night's sleep out in the wilds to prevent insect bites and deadly snake bites. Guess what? Now it is $29.95 plus free shipping. When your customers say add to cart, we then show them, wait, want our best-selling waterproof solar power charger for 50% off with free shipping? Again, yes or no. When they say yes or no, we sell them another product. Hey, wait, do you want an emergency SOS kit in your camping backpack or butt-out bag? Now your total order can potentially go from $29.95 now to $74.85. That's a 150% increase in sales by simply asking small questions. And this is just one of my profit multiplier secret, and it's allowed me to build a new e-commerce business generating $5.5 million. Now, what if I tell you that there's a software to do all this for you? And how many of you would actually want this software for free? Type a big yes in the comment box or question box right below and tell me say yes right now, right? I'm just going to take a sip of water right now. Alright, I got loads of yeses flooding in right now. Well, guess what? I'm not even done yet. Have you ever experienced this? When you're about to leave the cashier after paying for your products or paying something, the cashier just gently smiles at you and hand you something. And you grabbed it, looked at it, and realized that it's a discounted coupon. But not just a regular discounted coupon. It tells you that you're going to save 20% off your next purchase. And it's only for your next purchase. Put in a 5 in the comment box below if you have experienced this. Right, I got a lot of people. Glenn, Betty, Sultan, Sherry, Austin, Simon, Sylvia, Brian, Mohau, Dooley. Right, exactly. And you know what's going to happen next? You either are going to actually go back into the shop, pick up the remaining items to use your coupon, or you're simply going to actually save that coupon into your wallet or into your purse and try hard to remind yourself to come back to the shop to use this coupon, or else you are going to leave out on a deal. And guess what? This exact strategy can now be done with your store. Take a look at this. I've generated over $116,000 almost instantly with this very same method. And it's a proven and repeatable method right now. Look at Ryan. He said that my order value has increased from $33.75 all the way to $94. Just like that, right? Look at another screenshot over here. My normal orders are $14.95 to $32.95, and now I'm getting an order of $78.45. This is proven to actually work. Now let me ask you, are you excited to actually see this technology? Type in a big YES right now. Show me excitement, because I'm going to show you exactly how this all can be done with a technology right now. Alright, I'm getting floods of yeses pouring in. Come on, I want more yeses. Before I even continue to show you guys, we got hundreds of people right here, right now. Give me yes right now, okay? Every single one of you, give me a big yes right now. All right, and loads of people. It's great. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna go into back right here into our technology. All right, and here's what's gonna happen. I'm actually gonna go into what we call the funnel builder right now. And then right here, you'll be actually being given the ability to create your very own beautiful landing page without you coding a single line of coding. So let's say that there's all these templates for you to choose. You can actually preview it, see all that. And let's say that we're going to actually select this template over here. We're going to click on continue, and we're going to choose our portable hammock that we're selling right now. And I'm going to call this the hammock, okay? The URL slug, I'm going to call it the hammock, and leave this as a front-end product. Then click on continue, and you'll be brought into the screen. Now, click on here. You can actually go special offer, special deal, and then click on apply. Voila, not a single line of coding. So I can hear say 50% off on our best selling portable hammock, and have a perfect night's sleep to prevent from insect and snake bites, right? And then press on apply. Voila. Guess what? Now you can actually say choose from over 24 different colors to match your favorite camping gears. Press apply, and now you can actually do a couple things. You can click it on again, change it to whatever color you want. Let's say we're going to change it to orange, and we can actually align it right, align it left, align it center. You can actually change the font if you want. All this can be done by clicking one button, right? Then you can actually go to the elements, and you can add in a drag and drop. See, you can drop a video in here, and then simply change the video URL. Or you can add in more text in here, just drag and drop, or drag another drop. All that can be done. And we can also change the background image to match your niche right now. So we have a camping background image. We're going to press save. And now this is done, okay? So I'm going to press save. And now, take a look. You have this all in place right now. And all we got to do is click on the word publish, and you will now have this beautiful landing page right in your website. Take a look. You can now start advertising this page right now. It's actually living right in your website. Now, we actually have to sell around the hub. So whenever someone actually bought a hammock, we're going to create another page, which is going to be the upsell page. And in this case, let's see what products there are. I'm going to sell a camping water bottle, fishing alarm, waterproof camping bag. Great. Okay, we're going to use this, and I'm going to do a bag. Okay, call it a bag, and have this as an upsell product. Then all I'm going to do is click on continue, and you'll be brought into, again, this page right now. And I'm just going to change some text over here. I'm going to just say one-time offer, and then I'm going to say wait. Want to save, let's say 70% off our amazing waterproof bag to withstand the rain when you go camping with your friends and family and then apply, and then I'm just gonna say simply click add to cart to add this to your order and save now. Apply, and then I'm just gonna keep everything as it is. I'm gonna publish it, so we're not gonna do the whole visual since that we already done that. And then this page is now on your website. And all you got to do is to build the funnel. So we're going to actually call this the hammock funnel. And the front end product is going to be the hammock. So when they actually go to the hammock, click add to cart, we can send them to checkout, direct to cart, or upsell them. So in this case, we're going to upsell them the bag. Now, at that point, you can also upsell them. When they say yes to the bag, they can do something. When they say no to the bag, they can do something else. So they can actually, you can actually give maybe a greater discount to the bag to actually downsell, or you can actually sell them more products. Now, in this case, we only have one upsell right now, so we're going to do the bag, and we're going to send them straight to the checkout and press save. So now, when you actually have products selling well, you can now use this landing page for your ads, especially on Google. And when someone click on add to cart, bam, we ask them, hey, wait, do you want to say 70% off our amazing waterproof bag right now? And they say yes. Well, guess what? Click add to cart, and now the order was originally $24.95, now skyrocketed to $78.90. And we're not even done yet. Remember the coupon analogy that we just had? Well, guess what? Our technology can do all that. Simply go to our profit multiplier. You can actually choose text, image, coupon, or coupon video. We're going to choose coupon, click on continue, and you can choose from different designs. So here I'm going to say save 30% off now, and I'm going to do 30%, expires in 30 minutes. Coupon code was save 30 in 30, and we're going to choose, let's say, blue, okay? And here we're going to do a button text, and we're going to say shop now and save. And then link, I'm going to go back to our collection page, okay? I'm going to grab the URL, copy link address, paste it right in here, press continue, and simply copy this code. And you only need to do it once. Go into your Shopify settings, go to checkout, and then under additional scripts, paste it right in here, press save. So now what happens is that when you actually have a customer checking on this product, so I'm going to buy it again, Fret Plus Lamp at iProGroup.ca. Here's what's going to happen. Alright, I don't know why I didn't autofill. Okay, we're going to continue. And obviously, I'm going to put a code in here. Alright, continue payment method. So now when the customer actually completed the order, we will now have the ability not to send them just the receipt, but bam, right there. Want to save 30% off, get the entire store for the next 30 minutes, 30% off. Use this coupon code, shop now and save. All that can be done. Now, the next step is to rinse and repeat, right? Your job is to outsource all the grunt work out. For example, finding more products, customer service. Outsource it, scale up your store by adding more products, going out and finding more products, and really repeat the process to create your entire e-commerce empire. You could actually create a store in the yoga niche, in the camping niche, survival niche, kitchen niche, gardening niche, and sell all these products because you now have millions of products for you to sell. And you can build multiple sources of income. Imagine if you built 5 different stores, each of them generate $3,000 a month. That's already $15,000 in a single month. That's going to be more money than you simply working at a 9-to-5 job, right? Listen, I did this for multiple stores. One back in 2011, 1.8 million, 2014, 2.2 million. Another business at the same time generated 3.78 million, scaled it over $12 million. Side business of mine generated $46,000. Another business of mine generating $5.5 million. Or you can simply sell it on Flippa and cash out instantly. This website over here got sold by auction for $10,000, over 100 bids. And guess what? This site is only 3 months old, and they only have $4,700 in sales, and they sold it for $10,000 cash. And one of my students actually used my entire 5-step, built a store, 3 months, and sold it for $20,000. put in a me in the question box below if you want to actually have that opportunity to simply create a site, sell it 3 months later for not say $20,000, let's say $10,000, right? Wow, I got a lot of people saying me. Mohammed said I would do it like in a heartbeat. Steve, Cal, Darren, Michelle, Kevin, Andrew, Trevor, Nico, Glenn, Betty, Angel, Sultan. Right, everyone would obviously want to do it because we're talking about $10,000 cash right now. But let me ask you, put in the word OMG if you're overwhelmed with the information that I just shared with you today. Or also put in the word OMG if you're blown away on the entire technology that you've just saw today. We built an entire store in less than 6 minutes. We have the entire technology to help you make more profits with our proven tools. You can also see, like, I'm getting a lot of people saying OMG right now, flooding in right now, like completely flooding in. Alright, that's great. Well, let me ask you this. How many of you would actually like to actually have my software for free? How many of you would like to want my software for free? That's really grammar mistake. How many of you would like to actually have my software for free? That exact same one that you just saw today. Put in a yes in the comment box right below. Alright, I'm getting hordes of yeses coming in. Flood. Alright, well, I'm talking about the same technology. Okay, having my 5-step all into the technology. All this done for you. Technology I took my team and I over a $250,000 investment, 17 months of our time, 7+ dedicated team members, turning my 5 steps into launching in 17 minutes or less. Alright, I'm getting a lot of yeses. Well, let me ask you this. Put in a okay, alright, in the question box below. If I can have your permission, so may I have your permission to share with you a specific package that I put together where you can actually get my software for free. Alright, put in an okay in the comment box below if I can have your permission to share with you exactly the same package, the full package that I have put together just for you, where you can actually get my software for free. Alright, I got a flood of yeses pouring in right now. Ivan, Jeannie, Amandine, Valerie, Octavian, sorry if I pronounced your name incorrectly, Joseph, Daryl, Justin, John, Diane, Allison even said permission granted. Esther, Patient, Balali, DMD, Eric, Don, Robert. Alright, so here's what's gonna happen. Zero Up Lab members are going to get over 180 pre-built stores. And today, you only saw one of our 180. And you get to build unlimited stores, however many you want. And most importantly, you're going to get access to our automated product engine with millions of products to sell. So basically, click one button, have that store in your store, and most importantly, have the entire process automated without you lifting your fingers. You're also going to get complete access to our profit multiplier, which is a proven model that's going to skyrocket your sales in your store. You're also going to get full access to our drag and drop funnel builder to create unlimited sales funnel and much more. Now, most importantly, Zero Up Lab members are entitled to get lifetime updates. And in 2018, we plan to double our investment. So here's what you're going to get today. You're going to get a free lifetime access right into Zero Up Lab, the exact technology that built our entire store in around 6 minutes, and having all these tools for you to actually grow and scale up your store's profit with our technology. The total value is easily $3,997. Well, now that I have the technology, you might be wondering, well, Fred, how can I master the 5-step system step by step? Put in the word system in the comment box right now if you want the entire system step by step so you know exactly what you need to do to actually generate sales online. Alright, I got Leslie, Vivienne, Brian, Charles, Yuda, Benny, Rennie, Virl, Rob, Diane, David, John, James, Becky. Alright, Well, listen, I actually have my entire 5-step system, step by step, inside my Zero Up Masters program. This is built for anyone just starting, even if you have zero experience. Everything you need from store creation, inventory arbitrage, turbocharging your store, creating a sales funnel, advertising your store, store management, other traffic sources, and scaling up your business to either build a legacy or to simply sell out your store. Now, I have over 13 years of my knowledge all inside this master's program. You're going to get the best training system in the world. You're going to get full video-based training, complete mastered in 30 days, step by step, copy and paste exactly what I do. You're also going to get assignment-based training, which one at a time, you're going to be tricked into launching your very own business without you even knowing it. You're also going to see live examples, see me building stores, and look over my shoulder on exactly how I do it. And right now, I'm actually in the middle of creating a brand new store, and it's the perfect opportunity for you to actually see what I'm doing, copy what I'm doing, and actually use it towards your own business. The total value is easily over $5,000. So let's take a look at what David Eagleton says about my program. Fred's program is the best I've ever seen. It's not just a typical program. He cares about each member's success, and the quality of the training is incomparable to any other program you'll find. Now let's take a look at Jason Craig. He said that there are no words to describe Fred's program. He doesn't just shove you with videos, he gets personal and tells you exactly what you need to succeed. Joining Fred's program is the best decision I've ever made. Now let's not take testimonials as an indicator. Let's take a look at the results from Zero Up. Medellin generating $15,000 already, and he's on track to do well over $1,000 a day. Evie generating 4,000 pounds in a single month, and her month has not been completed yet. Novell generating $1,400 in one single day. Connor generating $689,000, all from Zero Up. So today, on top of your lifetime access into Zero Up Lab, you're also going to get a copy of my master's program to master my 5-step system. The total value is now over $9,000. Well, now that you have the technology and the system, you're going to be wondering, well, Fred, what products do I sell? Put in the word products in the comment box right now if you believe after the technology and after the system, the next step are products. Right? Obviously, I'm getting a flood of you saying products right now. Well, you know what? Today, I'm going to hand you the top 100 fastest selling products to sell online. I'm talking about my team and I handpicked and researched the top 100 products for you. Fully analyzed report, everything you need in one place. And what took us weeks to create is now yours with a click of a button. We're talking about reports like this, like this, like this, like this, like this right now. The vendor, the image, the description, the pricing, interest targeting, demographic, all that is given to you. Now again, everything that you see right now, I'm also going to give you the top 100 fastest selling products to sell online on a silver platter. The total value is now over $10,000. Well, now let's face the number one struggle. How do I drive traffic to my store? Put in the word traffic in the comment box right now if you believe that traffic is the number one struggle, and you know for a fact that you need to actually know how to drive traffic to your store in order for you to actually generate sales. Alright, I got Brian, Scott, Barry, Harry, Tina. I got floods of you saying traffic right now. Well, guess what? I spent millions of dollars to actually acquire my traffic knowledge on Facebook. Another ad account that I have, over $800,000 in ad spend, and I've spent well over $3 million just with Facebook. Google, I spent over $3 million with Google. Bing, a smaller network, I spent upwards of over $100,000. Now, what I've learned after 13 years and expensive failures is that buying traffic is simple, but you have to have the system. And experts are too scared to share only because they may not be doing it themselves, or they just don't want competition. And real traffic and media buying has an hidden underground. And it's impossible for you to buy traffic without inside access. It is unfortunate, but that's the brutal truth. However, today, I'm actually going to give you this access, everything that you need to know, all inside my Traffic Genius program. The quick blueprint to attracting wave of buyers to your website. And you're going to get the best traffic training system in the entire world. Number one, you're going to get full video-based training. Again, complete master in 30 days. Everything step by step. Copy and paste what I do and become a traffic genius. You're also going to get assignment-based training, which one at a time, you're going to be tricked into launching your own investment traffic without you knowing it. You'll also see live examples. Watch me set up traffic campaigns, look over my shoulder, and I'll show you exactly how that can be done. And as a matter of fact, I even take my members' business, run traffic for them, and show everyone how to do it. The Traffic Genius program alone is easily valued over $6,000. Now, let's take a look at what worldwide experts say about my traffic knowledge. Onyx Singhal, CEO and founder of Learn, who has won well over $120 million online. And he said that Fred is a true traffic Jedi. I thought I knew everything about traffic, but not until I met Fred. He has taught me and guided me in such a way where now I'm taking my business to a whole new world thanks to the knowledge he has given me. Let's take a look at Jimmy Kim, CEO and co-founder of SendLane. He says, Fred's traffic knowledge has been life-changing. The knowledge he has blew me away, and I've been marketing online for 8+ years. Fred is definitely one of the leading traffic experts in our industry. And there's a reason why these two gentlemen are saying this. Take a look at this right now. My ad on CNN.com. And this is no Photoshop, okay? This is straight off a screenshot on CNN.com. CNN Money website. Right here, my ad all over CNN. Now, you might be wondering, well, Fred, you gotta be spending at least over $100,000 just to be on these sites. Well, the truth is, I spent $812.97 to be on these sites. And not to mention, at the same time, I generated over $25,000 back when I'm actually doing this. And you're gonna learn all my traffic hacks inside my Traffic Genius program. So on top of your free lifetime access into Zero Up Lab or technology, getting a copy of my Zero Up Masters program, and also given the 100 fastest selling products to sell online, you're now going to be handed my Traffic Genius program, the blueprint to attracting wave of buyers to your website. The total value is now over $16,000. Well, now, let's face one thing. Fred, I know nothing about the internet. Will there be more hands-on coaching? Put in the word coaching in the comment box right now if you want more coaching. You don't just want video training. You want video training, coaching, and hand-holding guidance. Alright, I'm getting Liz, Tariq, Tina, Harry, Barry, Scott, Brian, Cassandra, all telling me right now that you guys want more coaching. Well, here's the thing. I'm actually going to invite you to my Starting from Zero bootcamp. Listen, I know how you feel, and here's what I'm going to do. We're going to invite you to our weekly bootcamp, and let's start from zero to profit. I'm going to actually give you all the training that you need every single week to actually get your business up and to show you what you need to do to actually build, grow, and scale your online business. We'll also have live Q&A section where you get to ask me anything and I'll tell you the answers right away. We'll also host live consultation where you get to show me your business and I'll review it, tell you what you did wrong, what you did right, and what your next steps are. And most importantly, you're going to get access to our private community to mastermind with like-minded individuals and have our brand ambassadors and coaches to actually help you. And you'll also get direct support from my 8-figure team. This is going to be the best community and mentorship in the world. Every single week, you're going to be live personally with me in our Starting From Zero Bootcamp, and I will also invite worldwide experts to be there to actually give you guys the latest training, and you don't need to pay a single penny because I'll pay them on your behalf to actually train you with their knowledge. Number 2, you're also going to get live Q&A sessions and personal consultation time. So ask me anything, show me your business for a full review. You're also going to get access to our secret Facebook community and support interaction fast. Work directly with us, other members, our brand ambassador and coaches, and get answers fast. Most importantly, you're going to get direct support from my 8-figure team. Simply send them an email and my entire team are at your disposal to help you. The value of this is nearly over $8,000. So on top of everything that you're getting, you're now also going to be invited to our Starting From Zero Bootcamp. The total value is now over $24,000. Now, what if, Fred, I try hard and I don't even make my first sale? Put in a yes in the comment box if you feel you can never make your first sale online. And I'm not going to call your name. Just be honest, vulnerable, and be upfront to yourself and say, well, yeah, I feel that I can never make my first sale online. I tried all these stuff and I just can't make my first sale online. It is absolutely fine. I'm not going to call you out your name at all. Simply just be honest with me. Only I get to see all these. So just show me, put in a yes if you feel you can never make your first sale online. All right. I'm getting a lot of people giving me a yes right now. Well, guess what? For those of you that gave me a yes, let me introduce you to our concierge program. If you didn't make your first sale in 60 days, we get personal. You're going to get priority access to our coaching and also be invited to an intensive small workshops where you're guaranteed to make your first sale online and know exactly what you need to do to make more sales to come. Listen, you get personal coaching. We do not tolerate any failures in my program. No failures allowed. And look at this. Gerardo, Timon, Zach, G, Tommy, they were all saying the same thing as you, telling me, yes, they feel they can never make their first sale online. But guess what? Gerardo from Mexico woke up one morning, first sale. Timon, 9 days in, $300 a day. Zach, excited to finally get a pop in sales. Not a sale, but sales. And G woke up and say, whoa, I almost had a heart attack. Got my first sale. Tommy generating $70 euros a day. Now listen, the value of our concierge program is easily $1,997. And today, again, in 60 days, if you don't make your first sale online, we get personal. You're going to actually get priority access to our coaching and also be invited to an intensive small workshop where you're guaranteed to make your first sale online and know exactly the steps that you need to actually make more sales from there. Now listen, right now the total value is over $26,000. With Zero Up, you get the complete hands-on coaching and training. You get to build unlimited stores and lifetime access into our technology that can build, grow, and scale your online business. You can literally start building your business immediately with our full system, 13 years and tested. Now in summary, you're getting over $26,961 in real value. 100% complete system, software, coaching, and hand-holding guidance. And Zero Up can start your e-commerce business immediately with zero obstacles. We've considered every situations. So let me ask you again. Put in a yes in the comment box if you want our bulletproof automated system to get started today. And put in a yes if you are ready for a breakthrough in your business and life. Say a big yes in the comment box right now if you want our bulletproof automated system and you are absolutely ready to actually have a breakthrough in your business and life. Alright, I'm getting a lot of people saying yes right now. Well, hold on to that excitement. I want to actually share my mission with you. My mission is to empower individuals with online business opportunities. I remember what it was like when I get started, and I knew that I had to give back my knowledge and help individuals like you. But I also knew that I need to recover my investment. I'm an entrepreneur, I'm a businessman. It is a fair ask. And I plan to double my investment in 2018 to nearly $500,000 into our coaching technology and training. And I was convinced it had to be an annual investment. And the first number that came to my mind was $4,997 a year. But you know what? Scratch that off. At $3,997 a year, that's the next number that actually came to my mind. But the truth is, it is not affordable. I cannot inspire you to actually start building your business right away. So scratch that off. At $2,997, it gives me the ability to reinvest and actually make some decent profit. But for a limited time only, here's what I'm going to do. I'm actually going to open up my platinum member status, and I want you to be my partner. I want you to go through Zero Up and actually experience a life-changing event so that you can actually tell the world on how Zero Up has changed your life and actually spread the word so that we can actually make Zero Up the best software training and community in the entire world. So as a platinum member, we're going to actually eliminate the annual payment, and it's going to be $2,997, and I break even at 80 members. Now, today, since you're going to make a decision with me, I'm actually going to make a crazy decision with you. And here's what I'm going to do. We're going to cut the price by an unbelievable amount for our platinum members. Plus, on top of that, we're going to actually put a child to school. For each new member that actually enrolls today, we will give a child a full year of education in underprivileged communities. We're working directly with a nonprofit called Dream Center. They actually create and build schools so that each time when you are building your business, you are actually doing some goods, and at the same time, you know that on the other side of the world, there's a kid working just as hard as you are, and while he's gaining his education, you are building your business. So let me ask you, are you ready? Remember, we have a very limited opening for our platinum members. Put in the word ready right into the comment box right now if you guys are absolutely ready right now to actually get our bulletproof automated system and to have a breakthrough in your business and life right now. All right, I got Michael, Leslie, Franklin, Star, Salmon, Pedro, Miriam, Michael, Sabrina, Joe, Alina, Skylar, Joseph, Lucas, Andre, Ari, Navenet, Aaron. All right, I'm getting loads of people right now saying ready right now. And again, remember, we have a very limited opening, so make sure you take action right now. So instead, right now, you do not actually have to pay the $2,997, okay? We're going to scratch that off. You can actually start with your first payment of $597 and just take care of my remaining two payments, or save an additional $294 and pay just one single payment of $1,497. All you got to do is simply go to www.zerouplab.com/join right now. And listen, this pricing is only available today and a very short period of time. We may close at any time. You can start with your first payment of $597, take care of my remaining two payments, or pay just one single payment of $1,497, and you're going to get lifetime access into everything, our technology, our coaching, our training, and given the ability to actually create unlimited businesses. Go to the URL right now, go to www.zerouplab.com/join right now. And there is absolutely zero upsells and zero cross-sells. Just pay just one payment of $1,497 or three payments of $597. Now, if I were you, I would actually save that $294 and pay just that one single payment of $1,497. Now, regardless of which payment you choose, you are going to get full access into everything from day number one. So here's a recap of exactly what you're going to get. You're going to get free lifetime access into Zero Up Lab, the exact same technology that has allowed us to build an entire store in less than 6 minutes, push a button, have that product into your store, and have the entire process automated, and also additional amazing tools that are proven to actually increase your sales for your store. You're also going to get my step-by-step system inside my master's program, so all you got to do is simply just copy and paste exactly what I do to master my 5-step system that contains over 13 years of knowledge right inside. You're also going to be handed the top 100 fastest selling products online on a silver platter to you. All the research has been done. All you got to do is simply go get it, download it, have it right in your store, and start selling right away. You're also going to get a copy of my Traffic Genius program, the entire blueprint to attracting wave of buyers to your website. I've spent over $7 million on ads, and you're going to get my $7 million ad knowledge right inside my Traffic Genius program. And you're also going to be invited to our Starting From Zero Bootcamp, where every single week you're going to be live personally with me, get the latest training, and even get the training that I get directly at Facebook headquarters and even from Google. I'm going to actually show you guys all that. And most importantly, you're going to get access to our community where you get your answers fast and have my team at your disposal. Now, last but not least, again, in 60 days, if you don't generate your first sale online, we get personal. You're going to get priority access to our coaching and invited to an intensive small workshop where you're guaranteed to make your first sale online and know exactly how to make more sales to come. Guys, listen, you're getting, in summary, over $26,961 in real value. 100% complete system, software, coaching, and hand-holding guidance. And Zero Up can start your e-commerce business immediately with zero obstacles. We've considered every situations. And all you got to do is go to www.zerouplab.com/join right now. So let me ask you again, are you truly ready? Listen, we have a very limited opening for our Platinum members right now, and the time is now. There's an old saying that says, the secret of success in life is for a man or woman to be ready for his opportunity when it comes. And I'm giving you this opportunity right now. This is a proven system. It is not based on theory. I've used this system for over 13 years. I've shared it with my students, and they have been getting tremendous results right now. And listen, in the end, we only regret the chances we don't take. And right now, you're getting this opportunity, and it is just right in front of you. And if you miss this once in a lifetime opportunity, you may regret this. Seriously, just go to www.zerouplab.com/join right now. And let me ask you, are you going to be the next person that's going to have the ability to leave your 9-to-5 ruts, to achieve financial freedom, to get the freedom of time to spend time with your family, with your kids, and doing the things that you love? And are you going to be the next person that's going to have the ability to own your very own business and become your own boss? And are you going to be my next student who's going to be like Karnar, generating over $689,000 in just 9-month period? Or maybe like Jedi, earning $100,000 in just 13 weeks. Or Dirk, generating $6,000 in a single day. Or Evie, generating $4,000 pounds in a single month. Or Nafel, generating $1,400 in a single day. Or even Ryan, $1,000 a day. Are you going to be my next student? And if you are, then simply go to www.zerouplab.com/join right now and make that decision. All right, just go to www.zerouplab.com/John join right now. It's not John. Join right now to make that decision. All right. So let me ask you, put in your name in the comment box if you have joined. Okay. Just put in your name right in the comment box, and I want to officially congratulate you, and I'm going to look out for your name inside our community so I can actually welcome you and actually learn what you do, learn who you are, and basically help you to actually succeed online. Alright, I'm getting a lot of people. Joe, Darrow, Jason, Connie, Dennis, Michael, Dung, Quadar, Kenneth, Raynard, Roger, Rodrigo, Frederick, Sophia, Ukimi, Bawats, Tony, Arthur, Brent, Sharon, Fidelis, Chester. Alright, we're getting a lot of people, guys. Congratulations for securing your spot, and I can't wait to actually help you right inside. My team and I and my entire brand ambassador team are there to help you. Now, put in a 2 in the comment box if you are in process of joining right now, okay? Wow, I'm getting floods of people saying 2 right now. AB, Tracy, Paul, Cindy, Linda. 2, not a Q. I'm seeing Q's coming in. My apology if I pronounced it incorrectly. We got Steve, Ryder, John, Jason, Jeremy, Bohadin, Michael, Kim, Lorenza. Alright, we got a lot of people that are in process of joining right now. Now, put in a 5 in the comment box below if you're just on the fence right now. Wow, I even get more people giving me a 5 right now. Seriously, take the leap of faith. Right now, you are getting an entire business in a box. The technology, the coaching, the training of a proven system. Now, look at all the results for my students, and there's actually a lot more results and a lot more success stories right inside my program. At the end of the day, you're given the exact formula that all these guys are using to generate upwards of 6 to 7 figures a year right now. And seriously, you just got to make that action and simply go to www.zerouplap.com/join right now. And seriously, you can start for your first payment of $597, take care of my remaining 2 payments, or just a single payment of $1497. Now, I'm getting a lot of people actually in the comment box asking, can I do this even if I'm not in the United States? Absolutely. You can actually, as long as you have a laptop and have access to the internet, it doesn't matter where you are around the world, you can actually start building your business right away with our proven, repeatable model. Again, all my students have been doing this. They are from all around the world. Kim is actually straight from France. And he's been generating, what, $4,000 a day right now. And he started from literally 0, okay? So I got Shirley asking, Fred, I already have a Shopify account. Can the Shopify account start? Can I use that Shopify account to connect inside your technology? Absolutely. And again, guys, just go to www.zerouplap.com/join and make that decision right now. And for those of you that gave me a 3, okay, I want you to make a decision in the next 10 minutes. And I'm going to do one additional crazy thing to make your decision easy. So let's make a decision together, okay? In the next 10 minutes, you either are going to actually say, Fred, I'm absolutely ready to get started right now and get the entire system, technology, and training to actually start building a real online business, or you're going to be like, you know what? I'm just pass on this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. You know what? Either way is fine. But right now, what I want to do is that in the next 10 minutes, I want you to be absolutely present, especially for those of you that gave me a 3. I want you to be present, be true to yourself, and let's make a decision together in the next 10 minutes. Now, when a 10-minute counter hits 0, it doesn't mean that you can't join. It may just mean that you've made up the decision of joining right now and going to the URL on the screen, or you're just going to slip and let this opportunity pass by. It is really up to you. But here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to actually go to my browser and pull up a timer, okay? And I'm going to actually do a timer for 10 minutes, and we're going to count down right now. And again, let's make a decision together, and I'm going to do one additional crazy thing to make your decision easy. So we're going to start right now, okay? Now, right now, for those of you that join, you are now automatically entitled to be a platinum member. And as a platinum member, I'm actually going to give you exclusive invitation to our Zero Up Network. This is our print-on-demand technology where you get to customize your own apparels and jewelry without any inventory or investment up front. You are going to get access to our direct source in the United States at our negotiated price. It is going to be cheaper than other places, and you're going to have your product created just for you, and most importantly, made in US and shipped in from US. And we're talking about your ability to create t-shirts, v-necks, onesies, beach towels, hoodie, mugs, and a lot more. And on top of that, you get to create your very own made in USA jewelry. We're talking about necklaces, bracelets, and even Pandora-like bracelets that is over $1 billion market right now. Now, obviously, the image doesn't show the high quality of the product, but the quality of this product is amazing. You can actually go to a mall and find the same quality, and it's easily sold for over $100. And everything right in between, right in the middle, is all made with glass, and you get to customize exactly what is inside. And if we look at the profit calculation for these products, okay, the luxury bracelet with charm, the cost of goods negotiated is going to be $12.77, and including shipping is going to be $16.72. But here's the beauty: you don't need to pay any single penny up front, and you're going to have this product in your store. And you simply sell in your store, and we ask you to actually sell it for $49.95 plus shipping. So you're going to actually collect $54.90 first. Get that money, and then pay for the cost of goods, and your total profit is going to be $38.18. Now, it doesn't stop there. You can also apply a profit multiplier strategy and upsell more charms. Now, the cost of good for an additional charm is going to be $8.77, and we suggest you to sell it for $29.95. So now your total profit, just selling the charm, is going to be $21. If you add in the front end product, which is your luxury bracelet with charm, of a profit of $36.18, your new profit is going to be $57.36 without you needing to invest a single penny up front. And this product is made in USA. You get to fully customize it, and most importantly, you make the money first before you actually need to pay the cost to my vendor. And you know what? On top of that, I'm also going to give you bonus access, okay? As an additional bonus, I'm going to give you access to over 1,000 designs for free. All these designs are going to be given to you, and I'm talking about over 1,000 of these. And if you actually go out and find a graphic designer to design all these for you, where you can use it towards your t-shirt, mugs, onesie, towels, necklaces, or whatever you want, okay? It would easily cost you $20 a piece. And if you're getting 1,000 done, that's $20,000 in value. And you're going to absolutely get this for free. And today, right now, the Zero Up Network is easily valued at $3,997. But today, as a Platinum member, you're going to get free access into our Zero Up Network. So again, here's exactly what you're going to get. You're going to get a free lifetime access to our technology. You're going to master my 5-step system step by step in my master's program that consists of over 13 years of my knowledge inside. You're also going to be handed the top 100 fastest selling products online right away. And you're also going to get a copy of my Traffic Genius program, the quick blueprint to attracting wave of buyers to your website. We're talking about Facebook, Google, Instagram, Bing. All that is going to be taken care of for you. And you're also going to get Starting from Zero Bootcamp, where you get to be live with me every single week, give you the latest training, and in 60 days, if you don't generate your first sale online, you get access to our concierge program with personalized coaching to guarantee your first sale online and know exactly how to make more sales to come. And as an added bonus, we're now also going to give you access to our Zero Up Network. The total value is now over $30,000. And it's time to make a decision. You're getting a lifetime total value of $30,958. And the doors are only open for a limited time. We're only looking for serious members to get our Platinum members pricing. And our internal plans is to double our investment in 2018, and we are already undergoing some confidential developments that I cannot share in the public on what they are, and you are going to get access and lifetime updates for free as a platinum member. I'm not going to ask you for an additional penny. So let me ask you, if it's not now, then when? Are you going to be this kid over here on the left who is all pumped up, excited, and ready to get our bulletproof automated system and start building your online business as fast as today? Or are you going to be this guy over here on the right who's going to consistently struggle, not knowing what is going on, be left behind, missing the trend, and just be stuck? Who do you want to be? The guy on the left or the frustrated guy on the right? Now, if I were you, I would obviously be the kid on the left who's all ready to start building the business with a proven system right now. And all you got to do is simply go to www.zerouplab.com/join. And you can start for your first payment of $597, take care of my remaining 2 payments, or save an additional $294 and pay just one single payment of $1,497. And again, the pricing is only available today and a very short period of time. Regardless of what payment you choose, you're going to get lifetime access into everything and be given the ability to create unlimited businesses. You can create one in the yoga niche, one in the hunting niche, one in the survival niche, one in the kitchen niche, however many you want. And again, there's no upsell, no cross-sell. Just one payment of $1,497 or 3 payments of $597. And all you got to do is simply go to www.zerouplab.com/join right now. And listen, the clock is ticking. There's 2 minutes and 40 seconds left. And decision is key. And it's time to make a decision. You can either continue to want, hope, and dream to actually create your perfect online business, get the financial freedom that you want, get the freedom of time that you deserve, or take action right now and turn your dreams into reality. And your action begins with a decision, because that's where your business begins. Listen, you're going to get the technology, the training, the system, the coaching, and the hand-holding guidance. All this is given to you. A complete proven system in a box. And the total value is easily over $30,000. Listen, if you go out and want to actually franchise a business, it's going to at least cost you 6 figures. But now, again, you get all these, the entire business model, the entire steps, all these training, all our technology for just the first payment of $597. Take care of my remaining 2 payments, or save an additional $294 and pay just one single payment of $1,497. Again, the pricing is only available today and a very short period of time. Just go to www.zerouplab.com/join right now. Now let's do some questions, okay? Let's be fair. I've been talking for the longest time. Let's do some questions, and we have 1 minute and 8 seconds left. So before we finish off the timer, let me answer some questions. Now, before the questions starts to pour in, I want to ask you a question. Put your name in the comment box if you have just joined, and put in the 2 if you are in process of joining right now. All right, I got Donald, Kel, Han, Elizabeth, Jane, Nancy. Congratulations for joining us, guys. John, Randy, Alan, Kevin, Daniel, Darren, Raymond, Linda, Lina, Illinois, Ryan, Lauren, David, Mary, they all joined. Congratulations for making that decision. That is an excellent decision that you made. Now, I'm getting a flood of 2s coming in. Seriously, think of this yourself, okay? For first payment of $597 or the full payment of $1,497, you get everything right now. And again, this is not based on theory. You're getting my 13 years of knowledge. You're getting an entire business in a box. All you gotta do is seriously just go through my training, take action, and you can start generating sales online with our proven 5-step system. Everything is showing to you step by step, and we have ironed out the technology side so you don't even have to worry a lot of coding and all those other stuff. And listen, guys, go to www.zerouplab.com/join right now. Alright, I got Ian asking me right now, Fred, I'm actually in Australia. I'm not sure if I can actually attend your weekly Starting from Zero bootcamp. Will there be replay? Absolutely, okay? We will record all our sections. Now, obviously, I encourage you to be there live with me, but if you can't make it due to time zone difference, that is absolutely fine. We will record every single section that you can actually watch at any time you want. And as a matter of fact, one of the most important things is that even if you have came on live, I would actually ask you to watch it multiple times because you will discover golden nuggets each time you actually watch our live trainings. Alright, Patricia asks, when is the class starting? Can I actually start building my business right now? Absolutely. Everything that you need to get started right away is going to be shown right inside. You can start right away, get our training, and actually jump on to our Starting from Zero bootcamp that we are going to be live every single week, and I'm going to give you guys the latest training and all those other fun stuff. So, next question by Todd. Fred, I am really blown away by the technology and blown away by your success. Let's see. And you ask, will you be showing us how we can actually get our ads on places like CNN.com, exactly what you did? Absolutely. All that is going to be showing to you. All my secrets on how I actually get all my traffic, how I set it up, what are the things that you got to make sure that you avoid are going to be all showing to you. Alright, Kim said that I've actually been trying to run my online business store and I'm struggling with Facebook. Will you be sharing all the details and information on how we can actually see potential products, how we optimize our ads, and what we look for? Absolutely. Seriously, I spent well over $3 million just on Facebook, and I actually have several Facebook reps that actually help me and give me the latest updates inside. So I actually created something called the 4-level optimization and the data that you need to look at to actually kickstart your campaign like almost right away. Alright, so all that is going to be covered for you, okay? Sandy asks, Fred, how many products do I need in my store in order for me to actually get started? So the reality is, I actually encourage you to have 25 products in your store to actually get started, and we actually have 25 products when you start using our site wizard, so all that is taken care of for you. Alright, so I see a lot of questions still piling on right now. Listen, if you have any specific question, simply go to the URL www.zerouplab.com/join. There's a live chat button on the bottom right hand corner. My team is there to actually answer any specific question that you may have if I cannot get to all your questions, okay? We're getting floods of questions in, and I don't think that I can answer every single question right now. And again, tell me your name. Put in your name in the comment box if you have just joined. We got Ivan, Jeannie, Valerie, alright, Justin, okay, Liz, alright, we got a lot of you guys just joined. I even get a lot more, wow. A lot of you guys actually just joined right now. Now, for those of you that are on the fence right now, okay, put in a 5 in the comment box. And for those of you who are in process, put in a 2 right now. Alright, I'm getting a lot of people that are in process. Seriously, take action right now. And for those of you, okay, that are on the fence, just take the leap of faith. A lot of guys that are actually my successful student, they just simply took the leap of faith, just follow exactly what I tell them to do, and they start to succeed online right now. So David said that I actually have multiple stores from Shopify. Can I actually connect all my stores with your technology? Absolutely. Like I said earlier, you get to actually connect however many stores you want and build however many stores you like in with our technology right now. Okay? Wow, I'm actually getting a lot of people that's giving me a 3, like Jimmy, John, June, Tom, Mohammed, Michael. Seriously, guys, this is going to be the best investment you'll ever make. You're not just investing right now into a technology and a business in a box. You're investing into your knowledge, because I'm going to walk you through, teach you, show you step by step on how to actually get your business up, how to get traffic, how to actually sell, and all the things that you need to know to run an online business is going to be given to you. And listen, okay, for you to actually take a course in university, it would cost you even more money than what you're investing in right now. And you are absolutely investing into your knowledge. And here's the best part. In my Traffic Genius program, you can actually use those traffic strategies to actually apply it to whatever business you have, because it is all the same. But I show you exactly how all that is done. Seriously, guys, make that decision, okay? If you have any more questions, feel free to just simply go to www.zerouplab.com/join. And then there's a live chat there. My team is right there to answer your question. So seriously, guys, there is 55 seconds right now. Your decision is either to go to the URL and start your process of joining, or you'll just, you know what, pass on to this opportunity. It's really up to you. Now, if I were you, I would actually encourage you to actually try this out and really be serious on building an online business right now. Again, like I said, this is not based on theory. It's a proven system and technology that we got a lot of people having great success. And if you want to be my next student who can potentially earn 5, 6, or even 7 figures, seriously, go to the URL, www.zerouplab.com/join right now. 10 seconds. Go to the URL. Check exactly what you are going to get. You are getting everything you need to get started. All right, 3, 2, 1. All right, so I bet right now you guys should have made your decision, because you can start now, and it's your last chance. Go to www.zerouplab.com/join right now. Make that decision. And for those of you who are in process, I cannot wait to actually see you inside. And for all of you that just joined, like Anna, Norris, Arkeem just said that they just joined. Congratulations. So guys, I look forward on seriously helping with your success and changing your life with our proven model, and to help you to actually start generating sales, and also giving you the ability to actually become your own boss. I can't wait to help every single one of you, to actually help you succeed online. And for those of you that decided not to join, you know what? It is fine. It is absolutely fine. If you want to miss on this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, that is fine. But I just hope that you don't regret this, okay? Now, one of the most important things, for those of you that decided not to join, here's the deal. Do not just whistle away from our 2-part workshop. I seriously want you to still take action into everything that you've learned throughout the last 2 weeks. Why? Because the 5-step system is always going to be the same. You just need to actually take action and really do something with it, so you are literally going to actually learn exactly how to do it and learn it yourself. Now, I do have to say, you might run into a lot of troubles. You might need to actually spend more money that you need, but the 5-step system is absolutely the same. And if you really wanted to actually have a quick start, a quick shortcut, and to actually avoid all the unnecessary costs and the expensive failures, you should seriously take action and go to the URL, because you can start for $597, or take care of or basically save $294 and just pay one single payment, and you are going to actually save more money than what you're investing right now if you are going to do it alone. Seriously, I have spent a lot of money to acquire all my knowledge, and I'm just going to hand it to you right now. But again, like I said, you can do this on yourself. It is absolutely fine. I just wanted you to take action, walk away from this, and seriously take action. And at the end of the day, as I say, you got to keep hustling and go, go, go. So other than that, I seriously hope that you guys enjoyed today's workshop. And again, like I said, take action right now. And for those of you who are in process of joining and have already joined, I look forward on seeing you inside our private community and seeing you in our live training that we have coming up. Last but not least, again, guys, go to www.zerouplab.com/join. It is such an honor of mine to actually host these workshops with you guys. I hope that you learn a lot of things, and I seriously look forward on seeing you right inside. So for those of you that are nighttime or morning, wherever you are around the world, have a great afternoon, great morning, good night, and I'll see you guys in the near future. Bye now. Hello everybody, Fred Lam here, and welcome to our workshop finale on how to launch a